What's up, creative? My name is Philip, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, we are this not a tutorial. This episode is not a tutorial, but I'm just giving out some 12, I think 10 or 12 camera roll presets that you can use when you are editing or doing a flyer or a design for a client. Yes, so without further ado, let's get right into it. But wait, I've realized that a lot of people watch my videos and then some of them they don't subscribe. So kindly subscribe, because I have more tutorials, more tips, more tricks, more resources that I'll be giving out there. Let's help this channel get to a lot of people so that we can put more content out there. So today, shout out to Cyrus Photos. Yes, you can follow him on Instagram. My guy is a really good photographer and a designer as well. So let's quickly check him out. I think he recently liked one of my images. So I'm taking you to his page because the image I'm coming to use for this tutorial actually came from him. So my network is running slow. MTN. Alright, anyways, you can see he has few. So you can see he's got some few images here. Yes, you can see. My network is not loading the images like so, but trust me, my guy is really good. You can check him out. So now let's get right into. So I think the pictures are loading. You can check him out. The name is Cyrus the King. Cyrus the King. So you can see his portraits, wedding, lifestyle, a whole lot of things. So you can check him out for your weddings, for your he's very good. He's really good. Alright, so let's get right into the video. Now, he sent me some image some time ago. So I'm going to use this image for this tutorial. Actually I said it's not a tutorial, but I'll leave the link in the description so that you can download the presets and then you can use them. Let me teach you how to apply them. So let's say I have this image here. So he did this work and it's very nice. Very nice. So I'm going to duplicate this image like 3 times and apply different. Let me duplicate it again and shift it here and select all, and then reduce the size so that you can see the effect I'm going to apply to them. So when you're done like so I'll leave. This one is the original image. So I'll edit these 2 images here, or I'll apply to the camera raw preset to these 2 images right here, and then you will check the differences between them. So if you're a photographer and then you are done retouching your images, you can also apply this preset that I'm giving out on your images to make them look exceptional. Alright, so let's get right to you. So we select the image that you want to apply the effect to, and then you come to filter, then you choose camera raw filter, or the shortcut key Shift Control A. So you can just click on it like so, and it's going to load. So with the camera raw in place and then the image is in place, you can just come to the 3 dots right here. It says more image settings. The 3 dots here, and click on them, and you come on the dialog. You just choose load settings. This is after you have downloaded and unzipped the file or the folder. So you can open the camera raw and then come to load settings and locate the unzipped folder of the resource that are giving you, the preset that are giving you. Then you come to load settings. So mine, it's automatically locates it. Because I've been using it. So you too, after unzipping it, you can get this preset here. So all you have to do is just double click or just click once and click open. Yes, so let's say I want to apply at any of this one. So I have this one that is very nice for me. So it says, yeah, Instagram Amaru. Yes, so I'll click on it. I'll try other ones so that you see how nice it looks. Yeah, so I'll just double click here and it's voila. Yes, so you can see the difference. Yes, so when you're done, you can increase the exposure a little to see. Yes, and we are good to go. So let me click OK, and then voila. Now see the difference. Let me turn off this one. Now look at this and look at this one. Yes, so I can let me apply another camera preset to this one. Yes, and there is this preset I've been using, which is called the intense dramatic portrait. Yes, so you can just click on your camera again, and then you come to the three, go to load settings, and yes, so we have the intense dramatic portrait effect here. So we can just click on it like so, and click open, and then voila. Yes, we are good to go. So it gives you another. Yes, so let's say you are working on something darker or something. Yes, so you can just but one thing about this preset is you have to duplicate the image, and then you reduce the opacity for the other one, and you are going to see the best look. So let me Control Z and apply a different effect to the third one. So let me open my camera again. Yes, okay, so I'll come back to my load settings, and let's say we want to try, and we have another one, studio portrait color. Yes, you can click on that one too and see the effects. Okay, all right, so guys, without further ado, you can just download. I'll leave the link in the description. You can just go through and download it. Make sure you unzip the file after downloading it, and then you can apply them on your designs or your images. Okay, so let me do the last one. Yes, so let me apply another filter, camera raw filter to this one. Yes, so load settings, and I have a midday fashion, midday or Nashville was scene. Can apply this one too, and you are good to go. Yes, so guys, kindly subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.